Rain or shine, guys. Tuloy pa rin yung ano namin, yung laban. Laban na dyan sa lahat, Jai. Kay sayang kayong libre, Jai. Ano yung sakaon, guys? Mga 200 plus yung steps. Parang nagtao. So much. Dala sa ATV. Dala chocolate. Dala. Chocolate. Wow, duga nagtao mga guys. Abay dyan ang mga tao. Naog na ni guys, kaya ka na nagtao eh. Hoy, mga turata! Mga sest! Laban! Woo! Christmas party! Gansan eh!
Tarsier have big eyes, bigger than their brain, and each eyeball is approximately 16 millimeter in diameter. Their eyes is fixed, that's why they cannot move their eyeballs. And because of this, they can rotate their head 180 degrees to see on both sides, just like the head of an owl. Tarsier mating season is from October to January. Female tarsier pregnancy is about 6 months and give birth to only one baby tarsier per pregnancy. And the size of the baby tarsier is just like our fawn. They breastfeed their babies for 3 months, and tarsier could live 15 to 24 years. They are nocturnal animals, which means they are very active only in nighttime. And during daytime, we possibly see them sleeping or resting. Nowadays, we consider tarsier as an endangered species. That's why we have an important rules to follow to conserve them. First rule, please observe silence upon entering. Please turn off the flash of your cameras while taking picture of the tarsier. Using of monopods and selfie sticks while taking picture of the tarsier is strictly prohibited. No touching and no feeding of the tarsier. No shaking of trees, especially where they are. No smoking, no bringing of food and alcoholic drinks inside. And to maintain cleanliness, please throw your garbage properly. Thank you so much for listening and enjoy your Tarsier viewing.
Bawal maingay. So yun. Bawal maingay kasi mamamatay ang shark. Dito nilang po masasaksihan yung tarsier na nagpo-posing. Ito po. Sige. Exit na po kasi wala nang tarsier. Pero nakuhanan ko naman sila ng ano. Ito po. May nakuha akong tarsier. Pag exit nyo, may makikita kayong mga ano, souvenir shop. Dito na po tayo sa man-made forest.
Behind the scene sa photoshoot ni Marge. Oh, dagan Marge! Dali! Oh, very good, Pete. A very good, Flora.
Sevilla Hanging Bridge. Dito daw yung sila Liza Soberano sa Dolce Amore. Nakasud na in town. Motogs na. Wow, caught in the out. Sarap. Kain pa more. First time po namin dito sa Loboc River Cruise. River Cruise. Ding 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 ding.
Iba yung kinakain niya.
Kamahal nga kape. Go nagbitin dire oy. Mga butterfly, fly the butterfly. Sala ginto, sala.
Pwede sa kanang
Andito na po kami ngayon sa Baclayon.
Saka?
Baclayon Church. And sabi ng guide, may figure daw dyan ni Father Pio. So if you can see it, then you're lucky. But if you cannot, try again. Dadain na. Ano ba? Yan. So we're having a tour here inside of Trans-Asia 19. So bagong-bago tong barkong to. Magaganda pa yung facilities. Yeah. Thank you very much, Trans-Asia and Chelsea Logistics, for this wonderful blessing. Pista diri guys! Dito may oro na ni. Magbaon lang yan ni Ogba.
Tapos ka dito.
So ito po yung Trans-Asia 19. Ito yung private room nila. Pero sorry kasi napaka messy. So, pagkapasok mo, ito agad yung nasa, view. Yan, double deck. Tapos dito 2 tao, tapos dyan isa. So, 3 tao po yung magkakasya dito. Ito yung best part ng, room. Kasi, ito yung CR. Yan yung CR. Tapos, pag ganun mo, ito, may bidet yung, nila, toilet.
Good morning, Cebu. Daghang salamat kayo Trans-Asia Shipping Lines Incorporated and through Chelsea Logistics and Infrastructure Holdings Corp. Walay daghang organize na land. Busog kay mi, lami kayo pagkaon sa Trans-Asia dyan.
Nindot ang experience na mo guys. So, hopefully, kabalik. Vessel 19, mo na siya. Ang toilet, kaya na dyan bidet ha. Tuman mo na pinaka-importante ang bidet. So, ma-appreciate niyo ang bidet dire. So, mo na to siya. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.